Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science and different types of convergent boundaries. Convergent boundaries occur when tectonic plates move towards each other and strike one another. If you look at this map of the major plates, you can notice several that are convergent boundaries. As these plates move and strike one another, you may get earthquakes, volcanoes, or deep trenches. There are three major types of convergent boundaries: oceanic and continental lithosphere, oceanic and oceanic lithosphere, and continental lithosphere. Oceanic and continental convergent boundaries occur when oceanic crust subducts underneath the continental crust. The oceanic lithosphere has a greater density than the continental lithosphere, and as it collides with the continental crust, it subducts underneath the continental lithosphere. As it sinks, magma is formed and begins to rise to the surface and may form volcanic mountains. Earthquakes may also occur, and deep trenches may be formed. An example is when the oceanic Nazca plate subducts underneath the continental South America plate. At this location, the Atacama Trench has been formed in the ocean, and the volcanic mountain Lascar is located on the land. When oceanic lithosphere collides with oceanic lithosphere, a similar event occurs. The older oceanic crust is more dense than the younger crust and subducts underneath. As it subducts, magma begins to rise to the surface, and this can create volcanic island arcs. An example is the portion of the North American plate covered with ocean subducts underneath the Pacific Oceanic plate. The Aleutian Islands have been created from this collision. When continental strikes continental lithosphere, neither crust subducts, nor is magma or earthquakes occur. These two graham crackers illustrate what happens. The two plates buckle and create folded mountains. An example is the Indian plate colliding with the Eurasian plate and creating the Himalayan mountain range. I hope that helps with different types of convergent boundaries. Thanks for watching, and Moo Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.